Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So for XRP, the situation remains to be less clear. We have seen here just a very strong reaction to the downside when XRP hit my overall target area here, this orange area that was the originally anticipated reversal area where you would expect a coin to reverse back to the upside. Because, as I always say, if they drop below that level, it will not be looking good. It doesn't look good for the coin because this lower support of that target range is the 88.7% FIB level here at 37.8 cents. Now, as we came and touched it from below, it is normally not a surprise that you then reverse to the downside because this is strong resistance. So there will be some shorts positioned or some buyers will sell. And it was a fairly strong reaction. So for now, and that is what I told you yesterday in the video, we can currently assume that here, or we have to assume that for XRP, it is still more likely to make a lower low. Now, what I can tell you, a move above the 38.7 cent level, I believe that's what I communicated yesterday, will make it more likely that indeed the bullish scenario is playing out. And the next level that we would then need to overcome, which makes it much more likely, is the 41.6 cent level. This is the wave E high, and if we get above that, I think then we can expect some further upside anyway, some more sustainable upside. Until then, we can still count this bearish. I believe I showed you that yesterday, that we can count this as an A. This would be the wave B and this the C. And we need to be on high alert that this could be reversing to the downside. Yeah, that's pretty much the message here. This is still very possible, especially because XRP is still below the 88.7% FIB level. So it needs to get above that level. Absolutely, yeah. So that's the first task for the bulls. Get above that level. Then next, get beyond the this previous swing high here, the 38.7 cent level, and then the 41.6 cent level. And only above the 41.6 cent level, I would probably more clearly focus here on a bullish scenario. I mean, we can count this bullish, but the problematic situation here is that we have not made really a higher high, and that this is the main reason that I still present you here the bearish scenario as the primary one, okay? So, and this is pretty much at the moment the situation with XRP. If we go to the daily chart, I mean, there are some positive signals, and absolutely we have to expect that this downtrend could be over, in line with more bullish signals on the Bitcoin chart, the Ethereum chart, and so on. But again, what I always say is we need to see the confirmation in the price confirmation. Everything else is a guess. Yes, the Elliott Waves help, but when we are that much in the beginning of an uptrend, it can still be very much also a bearish wave count, okay? Looking at the indicators though, there are some positive signals here from the ADX and the I here forecasted very nicely a continuous price increase when we had that bullish crossover a few days ago on the 14th. And the RSI on the daily also is giving us here a bullish signal, or gave us a bullish signal already on the 13th of July, a bullish crossover. And the MACD is also currently still gaining in momentum. So the indicators would rather be on the side of the bulls at the moment. And that would rather indicate that we can push higher. But of course, until we break above the 38.7 cent level, it is resistance. So nobody really knows if we are going to break out. But there is a realistic chance, absolutely. And then we could also think if we get above the 42 here, that wave E high at 41.8, yeah, if we get above that level, then we can put something more bullish on the chart here as well. There is a good chance that we break above the 88.7% FIB level, and the reason is the RSI. We tried it here, failed. On the 25th of June, we tried now again, and the RSI is higher. That is always a sign that shows with a higher likelihood that we could actually break through here. The reason is that the momentum is stronger, the trend is stronger, okay? and that is something rather bullish here. But again, until we get above this price level, 41.8 cents, I cannot, even if I wanted to, I just can't make the bullish scenario the primary expectation. Okay, and that is my view about XRP. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.